3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh my God, that was a different, whoa. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2023 Mercedes GLC43 AMG on our channel. As always, we're going to take a look outside and then inside, take it for a quick drive, do some 0 to 60 Dragy tests, and I will share my summary impressions. Let's get her started. Let's get in the back, see how it feels. So, lots of space, good seating position, feels pretty comfy, but these handles here make it feel like you're sitting much lower than you really are. Well, let's look at the trunk. Nice and big trunk, you can fit a lot of stuff in there, which is great. Let's look under the hood. So this car here is the direct competitor with the BMW X3 M40i. And you can also say Porsche Macan. All right, so let's, oh, this is the manual mode. Okay, let's go to Sport Plus. So we're in Sport all the way. So a lot of the things with Mercedes that if you touch many of their parts, they will crack a bit like this. I don't know, it's always really been the thing with them. But we're gonna start out in Sport Plus because that's the best mode you can do. So far it can definitely feel like there's a lot of torque down here below. And a button actually just fell off. Look at this. That is crazy. You'd think on a car that's not even a year old, it would be falling off like this. Wow. And so you can control here on the wheel. See, the infotainment here is extremely unintuitive. Like, it's really hard to figure out what you're doing. Like, I've definitely had an issue of trying to figure out what is what. Okay. Now, all right, let's go. Sound nice, but it's very quiet on the inside, so you don't hear a lot of noise in the cabin beside a little bit of the exhaust farts. Handling feels good, but there is a little bit of roll here and there. Power wise, I haven't checked the numbers yet, but that is the plan for us to do, is to check how quick this car is. But to me, it doesn't feel as fast as per se the M40i is, or the Macan. I do like the pops in the back of the exhaust. I think that's a really cool touch. Everything here is like located in different places versus what you typically expect in a car. I do love the ambient lighting. It looks nice, it looks neat. You can probably change the colors here, obviously. But the infotainment, it is so freaking unintuitive. Well, to me at least. Trip, yes. There you go. Okay, that was a good downshift, finally. So it does have some good power. Definitely lots of passing power, which you really got to set your foot in there to get that power. It's good. All the features here, to me personally, aren't very intuitive. Is this, yeah, at least this is a touchscreen, thank God. Because a lot of the older ones, they don't have the touchscreens, so you got to do everything through the keypad. And I'm not a fan of the keypad. I've never really been into Mercedes. Never really understood the way they work with their infotainments. I do like how they're duplicating the speed here, like the miles and kilometers. But it's definitely got some get up and go, gotta say. Definitely got some get up and go. The brakes feel solid, good brakes, there's no fade. The handling feels good, but it's more bouncy than the BMW. It's more like the Macan, in my opinion. All right, so let's get our Dragy out and do some testing. All right, so let's come to a full stop, and the first run we're just gonna do from idle pedal to the metal. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, nice pops. I love the pops. So we did 5.42 seconds, which is a good time. We did 8.86 on the 1/8 mile at 83.66 miles an hour. Not bad, not bad. We'll also do a rolling speed check the other way, and then do one more time from launch control and see where that takes us with our times. I'm curious also to see how accurate this speedometer is. So as far as the temperature, it's not too hot today. It's 80 degrees, not the worst conditions. The DA is okay. But let's go on the way back and see what that yields us. The nice touch that Mercedes made is actually made this light up differently than the ambient lighting, which I think is pretty cool. But yeah, let's do one more run and see what we can get. Maybe we'll get some good numbers, better numbers, so to say. Let's go. Let's see what we got. So we got 0 to 60 in 5.62 seconds, verified. The quarter mile came in at 13.78 at 102.95. But you know, just so you know, it is a little bit uphill, so it's not the best time we could have gotten. 62 to 99 came in 7.2, and the 1/8 mile came in at 8.99 at 81 I think, what was it? Let's see. 81.62. Now let's reset it and do it again, but this time we're going to do it from launch control. All right, so let's turn it off. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh my god, that was a different, whoa, what a difference. 4.47. All right, well, that guy decided to U-turn. Definitely better times, 8.28 at 84.31. So good times, good trap speed. When we get a chance, of course. Yeah, I don't hear any pops or crackles on the back. At 56, 55, it's showing 55, so the speedometer is 100% accurate apparently. Let's see, it's 60. At 59, it's showing 58, 59. Takes the bumpy road nicely. But that launch was really impressive. It actually like leaned upwards, and these shifts were like boom, 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 boom. From this point on, I don't think we will be able to do another 0 to 60 just because of the type of the road that we're going to have up next. But the best result was 4.47 seconds, and 62 to 99, 62 to 100 came in 661 and 675 respectfully. What else? The 1/8 mile, yeah, we said 84 miles an hour trap speed. So yeah, I think we'll shut off Dragy at this point. We don't need it anymore. You can turn back on traction. So what do I have to say overall about the car? I liked it. It definitely feels like a nice solid drive. You don't feel speed in it. It rides really smoothly. The ride quality is great. It does feel really nice and well packed together, I think. The hood is pretty flat, which is fine, I guess, for this kind of car. I usually like my hood to be a little bit more with curves, so to say. Pickup is good. What else? Seats are comfortable. The seating position is good. I do like it. You can also do the lumbar extension automatically. Everything is automatic, which is nice. You can probably get used to this infotainment system every once you use it. Overall, great SUV. I think this is a very fair alternative to the X3 and the Macan. I wonder if the new one's going to be 4-cylinder because this is a 6-cylinder. And overall, I have to say I do like this experience. Materials are really nice everywhere. You know, everything is soft, plush. Except we got a little bit of cracking here, but that's fine. It is what it is. The sunroof isn't one whole sunroof, it's split into parts. I love the red seat belts. So overall, great choice if you're shopping in this segment. Definitely give this a look. It may feel a little bit different than the X3. It's less aggressive on the handling than the X3, and the exhaust is slightly more pronounced on upshifts, but you cannot hear anything on the downshift. There's no crackles or pops on the downshifts like the BMW has. There's less sound in the cabin from the engine, and you know, just the sound that BMW also adds enhances it. But overall, this is a very, very sweet package. Well, thank you so much everyone for watching. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and until next time.